To install the fuel level sensor LC16, we need these tools: electric drill, 22 to 25 mm metal hole saw, a hex screwdriver bit, needle nose pliers, a measuring tape, electrical tape, hex flange screws, a 17 to 20 mm adjustable wrench, automotive sealant, tissues, a sensor flange and gasket, and the fuel level sensor LC16. Before installation, first use a measuring tape to measure the height of the fuel tank. Use the measuring tape again to confirm the length of the sensor. This prevents the sensor from being too long to install after drilling. Before installation, determine the installation position. The position should be centered on the fuel tank. Start drilling. While drilling, blow away debris as you drill. When the drill bit is about to penetrate through, slow down and use a gentle rocking motion to drill through one side first. After drilling through one side, use needle nose pliers to remove the metal fragments. Be careful during removal. Do not let any fragments fall into the fuel tank. Clean the surface of the fuel tank. Apply a circle of sealant along the edge of the flange gasket. Do not apply too much sealant. Excess sealant may overflow into the drilled hole. Apply sealant to the flange in the same way. After placing and pressing the flange flat into position, check whether any sealant has overflowed into the hole. If sealant has entered the hole, use your finger or tissue to clean it out. Tighten the screws securely. Insert the fuel probe into the tank through the hole. After the screws are fastened, use an open-end wrench to tighten the sensor. Finally, apply a circle of sealant around the screws and along the edge of the flange as an extra precaution against leakage.